Okay, people, here's my 57 Chevy. I took all the trim off on this side because I still got to cut all this out. I want to try and structure it and make it stronger. The car does need a timing chain and a set of gears. I apparently have all that right here. Everything is right there. Spark plug, wires, belts, hoses, all that crap. Okay, and then I've been making door panels. That one over there I made for this car yesterday, and then this one I made the day before that. But the stainless steel piece that's on it, I actually traced it out on another piece of metal, but I got to cut it out and bend it to specifications in order for it to look like the original for the passenger side. And there it is. It's cut out right there, or drawn out. So all I got to do is cut it, and then I'll find something to be able to brace it to the door panel itself. The biggest problem with the car right now is I can't find top dead center, and the reason why I can't find top dead center is because, one, the harmonic balancer does not line up with the compression stroke for the valve number 2 underneath the valve cover, which is this one right here. Okay, so that has to match up with this. The harmonic has to match up with this one coming back up for it to be closed. And then the other problem is the distributor rotor position does not match up to either one of those. So we've got a big problem here. As you can see, the rotor is pointing at number 1, but it's not at top dead center right now. And the valve is not on a compression stroke. There's 4 cycles, but I can't get it to work right. So I can't do it by myself, because you need to have somebody helping you with this to get it lined up. Meaning that, what the hell's going on here? Why are these valve covers not lining up? There it is. Okay. Everything has to line up at top dead center. Otherwise, I can't sit there and replace the gears and the chain. And it's impossible to do it by myself because I don't have the proper tools, like a breaker bar and yuck, got all that crap all over me. Be able to tap the ignition as well. So right now I'm at a standstill with the 57. Until I can get some help, there's nothing more I can do on this right now. I have everything in order to get this thing running. It's got new points, new coil, new wires, new plugs. I have a piece of metal for the bottom part of the door there. I'm going to cut out the rod on the runner board and replace it with new metal. And same with the driver's side, rear. Cut out about as much as I can on that and redo that over. But until I get some help, which I can't rely on anybody, because all the people that I know say they're going to help me, but they never show up. So, you know, looks like I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this update, and please like and subscribe. I have 3,000 views and I've got 20 subscribers. What the hell? Really? Come on now.